Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel once again. And in this video, I will introduce you to a new website that was launched on the 5th of November 2024. Yes, this website is actually new in the system and you can jump onto it and invest a minimum of 120 Ghana cedis to be able to start making money from this particular platform. So without wasting my time, click on the first link in the video description to be taken to this page where you'll be asked to fill in a couple of details in order to register an account for yourself. Detail you'll be asked is your mobile number. Start without the zero. Start number without a zero and then create a password for yourself. It's the code. So you then enter this code right here. Yours is going to be different because this code varies. This code varies. So yours is going to be different. Enter the code at this section and then click on register. I already have an account, so I'll just have to log in and then show you how this particular platform works. Alright, so after you have registered, you'll be taken to this page where it is going to welcome you to the platform. So as you can see on your screen, it welcomes you and it tells you that after registration you'll be given a sum of 15 Ghana cedis and then 1 Ghana cedis for each invite you make. Yes, 1 Ghana cedis per invite you make. So if you make about 100 invites, you'll be able to make a sum of 100 Ghana cedis. 100 Ghana cedis. Also, when you invite your friends to register, you get a sum of 20%. 20% of their total invest. And after that, you'll be able to get 3 and 2% when your friends also do invite their friends as well. You can also get a daily tax reward up to 950 Ghana cedis, 950 Ghana cedis per day, and then to withdraw daily. Yes, daily income comes with a daily withdrawal. So you can just join their Telegram group and channel over here by clicking on the join now and then subscription. So you click OK. So this is their packages right here. This is their packages from plan 1 all the way to plan 8. Plan 1 all the way to plan 8. So with the first plan, which goes for a whooping 120 Ghana cedis, your daily income is going to be 29 Ghana cedis, 9 Ghana cedis, which will then last for 180 days. Plan 2 costs a sum of 350 Ghana cedis, of which your daily income is 34 Ghana cedis. 34 Ghana cedis per day. Plan 4 goes for a sum of 700 Ghana cedis and your daily income is 77 Ghana cedis. 77 Ghana cedis. Plan 4 goes for a sum of 1,400 Ghana cedis. Your daily income is 168 Ghana cedis. So we move to the last plan, which is the plan 8. Cost a whooping 8,800 Ghana cedis. 8,800 Ghana cedis. Your daily income is 1,408 Ghana cedis. 1,408 Ghana cedis. Yes, that is how you can be able to make money from the packages of this particular platform. So to recharge, you then click on where it says recharge right here, and you select the amount in which you would like to deposit, and then tick the first one right here, this thing here, payment method. You just tick the first one and then click on where it says register. After that, a new page is then going to load where this countdown is going to, when after this countdown completes, you then click on where it says I know and continue to repay. I know, and then you enter your mobile number here. 05. After completing this, you then choose your MTN, Vodafone or Airtel Tigo. So you submit, confirm, then submit. They are then going to give you an MTN number which you are to send the money to. Copy this and then make the transaction to that number and click on where it says get result. So before that, you need to enter your transaction ID over here. So copy the transaction ID, which is 11 digits or 16 digits, 11 or 16 digits, and then input that transaction ID over here and then click on where it says get result. So after some time, the deposit is then going to reflect in your account. So if I go to the my section here, you can see over here on my dashboard I have a total of 446 Ghana cedis. 446 Ghana cedis. So when I head back, I'm then going to buy the first package, which is the VIP one. So I click on invest and then click invest. Now, are you sure you want to purchase this product? Then just click on OK, and after some time it has been purchased. So when you come to the earnings section right here, you can see I have the quick charge plan one, which is then working for me. And when we go to the my section also, we have an option here which is called the bank card. So you click on that, enter your name, and then you enter your bank account number or your mobile money number. Then you just choose the bank account and enter the mobile number. So that I'm then going to choose MTN and then click on where it says save, and then you have successfully linked your mobile money account to this particular website. So if you want to issue a withdrawal, you just click on where it says withdrawal, and then I'm just going to enter the amount of 326. So judging by this, you can see they said withdrawal time is from 9 o'clock a.m. to 5 o'clock p.m. every day, including holidays and weekends. The minimum withdrawal limit is 30 Ghana cedis. A withdrawal is made once a day. They are then going to take 12% product maintenance fee and tax. Product maintenance fee and tax of 12%. And then withdrawal time is within 2 to 24 hours. So if your withdrawal fails, you then contact the customer service to check it for you, and then they are going to send you your payment. So I then click on where it says withdraw now, and yes, my withdrawal has been initiated. So click so I'll then go back and then let's see how the theme also works. So when I come to the team section over here, you can see I already have a team size of 11 members first level, and then 2 members at the second level, making a total of 13 members. So this is how you can be able to make money from this particular platform over here. Also, one more thing you should know about this particular website is when you join their group, they are going to be posting treasure keys per day, treasure keys each and every day. And what you need to do to be able to get the key is that to be consistently available in their Telegram group and also their Telegram channel. So with that, when they post the treasure key, you just copy it and then come and paste it here and then click on where it says okay. So that is how you can be able to make money from this particular website. Click on the first link and then start making money from this particular website. As well, if you have more questions about this website, you can join my WhatsApp group and then contact me if you need any help. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and then subscribe to this channel.